welcome to the 2018 Goodwood Festival of Speed. Porsche is on display here as the main centre event for the festival. I'm going to be driving with Lotus this weekend, and this is going to be a little bit of a behind the scenes look of everything that we get up to over the weekend. So we're just going over to the Drivers Club now to sign on, and then we've got our first run in about an hour or so on this very glorious morning. It looks to be a beautiful weather, a lot better than the last time I was here. So yeah, looking forward to a fun weekend. So yeah, enjoy behind the scenes. Right, we're going to jump in the car now, and Lotus Exige 430. Never driven one of those, which is going to be awesome. The Lotus Exige 350 was fast enough, though. I think this is going to be absolutely rapid. And here we have the Lotus Exige 430. This is going to be an awesome car to drive. As I previously said, the 350 Exige I rate as one of the most competent track cars going, especially bang for buck. So, one of the new Brabham track-only hypercars, BT62. It's pretty cool. Yeah, 430 brake, still just under 1100 kilos. Carbon fibre absolutely everywhere. This is going to be a serious track weapon, and we're in amongst some pretty awesome company as well. You just saw the Brabham go past. We've got then an Elise Cup 250, again with just loads of carbon, not really aggressive rear diffuser, a bit disappointing that my car has. GT 430 Evora, Alphas, McLaren. We've got the Senna, two Sennas, GT4 540 as well, the new Urus as well, you can't really miss that. So yeah, some pretty cool kit here. So we'll walk around this paddock a little bit later on. Oh, that is the one. So that wraps up a pretty badass first day here at Goodwood. Exige has been mega fun up the hill. Yeah, making lots of noise and going fast against all the big boy cars here. So yeah, mega car park, mega first day. Don't think it's going to get much better than this. So yeah, we'll catch up for tomorrow where we're at the motor circuit in the Exige 430. Buzzing. now we are back at the motor circuit for day 2 of the Festival of Speed. So we've got a morning on track with JB Capital, which is going to be mega. Some cool kit here arrived here already. So yeah, looking forward to seeing and hearing all the kit out there. We're here with the Elises again, the Lotuses, sorry, Lotus Exige and Evora. It's going to be a fun morning. So the car's on track out today. F-Type SVR. 458 Speciale, 458, F12, Maserati, F12 TVDF, weapon, don't even know what that is, California, 675 LT, TEG, and then our kit as well. Is the morning done in the Evora. Literally finish up on fumes, but yeah, going fast, causing lots of smiles and passenger rides and drives themselves. So yeah, met some wicked people at JBI Capital. So yeah, hopefully catch up with them again soon. So yeah, we're all wrapped up for the motor circuit today. I'll be back here in 24 hours for a bit of alpha work after that. So I'm going to go for a float around the show now to see what we can see. So let's head over to the show now. That's a diffuser. That thing sounds ridiculous. I love this full-on recreation of the Nürburgring 24-hour winning GT3R, a GT3 RS road going car in the exact same livery, complete with digital number 1. It is mega. Love that. Makes this look fairly standard next to it. Very subtle colour scheme. Mega GT2 RS. This is a P1 GT by Lanzante, who did all the road car conversions of the F1 GTRs way back when. That looks the absolute nuts. I'm pretty sure it's a road car. It's upholstered certainly like a road car, but that looks awesome. Day 2 finished at Goodwood now. So track stuff in the morning and then floating around, being a tourist, being a punter in the afternoon. Back again tomorrow morning for being a punter again. And in the afternoon, evening, I'm chauffeuring for the Goodwood Festival of Speed Ball, which will be great fun in the Alfa Stelvio. So yeah, we'll catch up with that tomorrow. So ciao. So we're back, day 3 of Festival of Speed now. This morning I was running around the festival just looking around with my friend Lee, and now I am on chauffeur duties in the new Alfa Stelvio. So I'm headed down to collect my passengers. Yeah, first impressions of the car is I'm actually quite impressed for it. For one, it's very nippy, and it's not even the big engine in it. This has only got 280 horsepower versus the big quad Q car, sorry, which is 510 brake horsepower. We're going to be on track with that tomorrow at the Goodwood Motor Circuit, so I'm really looking forward to trying that out. Super direct steering, nice comfy driving position, and handles quite well around the sort of roads around Goodwood as well. So yeah, we're going to fly down to Southampton, pick up my guests, and then we're whizzing back again in time for the Goodwood Ball. So yeah, let's catch up on the ball. Guests all dropped off, so now go grab some food and then await the call to return back again. Boom. And that's how Lord March puts on the show. Yeah. Awesome. Mate. And that is the Goodwood Ball done and dusted. It is currently 2:45 in the morning and I'm headed back to bed, and I can't wait to get to bed. Up early doors tomorrow to butt some Quadrifoglio, Stelvios and Julia's out on the Goodwood circuit. Can't wait to get behind the wheel of one of those. They look rapid. So yeah, catch up there. Ciao, ciao. Here we go, day 4. Up early again, 8 o'clock. Driving to the track with the guys ahead. Look quite impressive. All the Stelvios in a line. Yeah, one last straight to go. Let's go do this.
Now go. That's it. Nice. Now flat. Nibble the grass if you need to. Yes, that's it.
That was a good one, wasn't it?
Nice.
We'll take that.
There you go. How fast do we actually go there? Right, keep it pinned. Go.
Then we get to about 120 on.
Wow. Way past that.
130.
Hard on the ankles. 135 I saw. Off. So that is Festival of Speed 2018 done. The silver anniversary, 25 years of the Festival of Speed. And it's been really fun actually. I mean, there's been a lot of variety between each day. Had some time to myself to go and see all the bits I wanted to see of the show as well as taking part in the show as well. So it's been an awesome couple of days, but I have to admit that late night finish last night has really taken out of me. So I'm now cruising on home and having driven loads of nice kit this weekend and back in the trusty Skoda to take me back home again, which feels a bit of a reality check. So yeah, anyways, yeah, off to Spa now next week, so make sure you tune in for the next vlog for that. But yeah, I hope this gives you a little insight into my world and the bits and bobs I get up to. So events like the Festival of Speed. So yeah, tell me what you think about it in the comment section. Like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this to come. Until next time, ciao ciao.